guys, my name is Heather, or Artsy Madwoman. I am a brand ambassador for Counterculture DIY. I make all different kinds of stuff from alcohol ink pieces to beachy pieces, but my main jam is working with flowers and preserving flowers in resin. So this is a peony that I preserved in resin. And my all-time favorite product for preserving flowers is the Counterculture DIY casting resin. This stuff is amazing. It comes out crystal clear, but it cures at like the perfect pace. And I also love using their medium viscosity resin, especially for a top coat. Oh my goodness, it comes out so glossy. I also have a YouTube channel where I do all kinds of resin tutorials and I try out crazy stuff, new stuff that I've never tried before. And I'm always using Counterculture DIY's products on there. So if you're ever wondering what these products look like in action, you can definitely go check out my YouTube channel. It is Artsy Madwoman. I also have an Instagram. It is also at Artsy Madwoman. I'm Artsy Madwoman literally everywhere. So in this video, I thought it'd be really cool to give you guys a little bit of a tutorial on one of my favorite things to do, which is preserving flowers in resin. So to do this, you are going to need some dried flowers, and make sure they're completely dried, because if you put them in resin and they're not completely dried yet, they will turn a weird color. I've had this happen to me many a time, and I've learned my lesson the hard way. So besides dried flowers, we are going to be using the Counterculture DIY casting resin, of course, and then we will be top coating with the medium viscosity resin, and we're going to make a floral wall art piece. That's a mouthful. And I'm also playing with the idea of possibly using a glitter, because Counterculture DIY has some amazing glitters. So without further ado, let's preserve some flowers in resin. So what do you guys think of our floral wall art piece? Again, a mouthful. I think it came out so pretty, and that top coat, it's just so glossy. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it inspired you to possibly work with flowers, or maybe incorporate something you've never incorporated into your resin work before. Because I feel like that's my whole vibe. That's the thing that I want to send out into the world, is if you want to try something, if you think something will be cool, definitely go for it. And I also want to say thank you to Counterculture DIY. Everybody there is incredible, and they've always been so supportive of me. So thank you guys so freaking much. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you guys later.